So we are mixing it up a bit now. So we're going to use squares and circles to create a different style of an easel card. So let me show you how to do that. So we're going to start off with a piece of card. Now this is 12 centimeters for each of your pieces, the squares you see there. So you will need something like a A3, a little bit, or maybe, yeah, you'll need an A3 to cut it down. But don't forget, you can make more than one of those from there. So it is 12 across the top here and 36 centimeters going down there. And then of course we're turning that into 3 squares. And in your top square, you're going to cut a circle into the side, the front of it here. So we want it to look like this, like that. So it's not too difficult. I sometimes have to think a few times thinking, right, where's this going? Where's that going? But actually you do get through to it. Right, so what I want to do, this is going to be the front of the card, like that. Okay, so we're going to start off with the front. Now, you can see it here. There it is, there's that hole. And then I've got this piece here. Now, I've used the circles. It's very, very simple. And you've got so many to go through. That's our next one. You can see it there. So this one, it's a smaller square, but it's the same size, the circle, on the front of the card. So that's going to go on the front. So I just need to put a little bit of tape just to keep it in there. This one's going to go over the top, so you can see that this is the same size as this one. It's just the circle that you choose to get that look. So a little bit more tape. I'm probably just going to put it here and here, maybe a little bit of glue to just make sure that this works on that side. And another thing is, if you like the idea of having a little something hanging in this little aperture, then you need to make sure that you sandwich anything that you're going to do with here and here. You need to do that before we put this back onto that card. So that's the front. So now we need to put the other pieces in. Now this piece here, where I cut this piece, that is where that what piece is going to go. So I'm going to make sure that when this closes up, it works perfectly. A bit of tape. Oh, already done it. And what I'm going to do is pop that inside. Another square. And that's going to go there. Now let me show you there it is. Now I mentioned about if you'd like to have something dangling with this tiny thread. You can do that before you put this together. Okay, there is that piece there. There's this piece here. Now a little bow there is perfect as your stopper, and it's a different style of easel card. It's absolutely beautiful, isn't it?